Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the dispenser drawer, which is this here on the Samsung 9kg drum wash machine. So the first thing to do is open it, and as you can see there's a bit of grime, soap built up in there over time. It is ideal to wash the filter approximately every 3 months or so. Stop this from happening. It can clog up the filter and the performance might not be as good as it should be. This filter comes out completely, and to do that on the Samsung, on this particular model, so that's the model number on the Samsung wash machine. Right, so to open or to remove the filter, you need to press down on this blue bit here. So if you press down on that, and then with my other hand, oh yeah. Okay, to clean that, I'm just going to use a rag. Yeah. We'll come back to that. Protective gloves on, and I'm going to spray a bit of this lemon scented fairy liquid, skip the soak power spray. So I'm just going to spray a bit of that on here to begin with, and just to let you know, this does detach from this, which they have 2 buttons here, and if you press down at the same time it should slot out, she says. Ooh. Goes up or down. Oh, there we go. I'm going to take my gloves off to do this. I don't want to rip my gloves. Yes, press them 2 buttons and push down to remove. Like so. Look at that. A lot of build-up of soap there. Oh, and it's crystallised as well. Very tough to remove. Actually, that was. So, yeah, let's run the tap. Warm water, and just going to get a toothbrush, and obviously an old one, unused one, and just scrub away. And this blue bit comes away from the same, so just press it down here, and it should come out, isn't it? Slot out. Okay, that's it. Just going to dry them and put them back together again. So I'm just going to put everything back together. It's all dry, and that just slots back in there, like so. And this goes back as well. Just got to remember how. Like this. Yeah, 1 minute. I think so. Yeah, it's slotting. Yeah, it does slot in like that, doesn't it? So that goes like that. Slot them back in. Oh, don't break it. Don't. What's that? residue. Okay, so at the same time, is it going through? Is it going through? Let's look at that. Let's see what that is. Gently, yeah, it just come off. Just needs a gentle abrasive to get that soapy scum off. Yeah, that's better. That is looking good, isn't it? So, next step is to find a rag and clean inside the dispenser drawer. Okay, so I'm now going to clean inside, again using this Fairy Liquid Skip the Soak spray. This is very effective at cleaning inside your filter, washing machine filter, without damaging it. I'm going to, again, use a brush, gently remove any soap residue that's built up over the months. And yeah, as I said, you need to do this approximately 3 times. 3 times a month. What, does that make sense? No, it doesn't. Every 3 months. They recommend doing this. Well, it depends how many wash cycles you've done. Obviously, the more wash cycles you do, the more often you need to clean the filter. The less wash cycles you do, the less time you need to clean the filter, is what I'm going with. Wouldn't you say? That makes sense, doesn't it? So, no. Yes, that was my torch falling from my tripod. Okay, we're now going to put the dispenser drawer back. To press that little button at the top. Just press it to get it out and press it again to get it back in. That one there. Push that back in. Bingo. And click that sub button to see more helpful videos, how-to videos on how to do things, how to fix things, etc. And a little bit of this and a little bit of that as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.